Hi all, welcome to the new video of Be an Expert. In this video, I just uploaded some project works related with Microsoft Office Excel. So before starting the video, I'm requesting you to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications while I'm uploading new videos into my channel. So shall we start? In this video, I just uploaded about 60 numbers of very useful Microsoft Office Excel project works. You can use these project works for your personal use, or if you are a computer teacher, you can give these project works to your students. So before winding up, let's take a look over the exercises or project works I just uploaded. Okay, these are the project works. This project works contains some basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. Okay. Date related project works, function related project works like number functions, string handling functions, date and time functions, financial functions. And this project work also contains some questions related with advanced features of Microsoft Office Excel like scenario manager, goal seek, subtotal, data validations, etc. Finally, I'm concluding that this project work contains about 60 numbers of amazing Microsoft Office Excel exercises. So you can download these exercises absolutely free of cost. The download link is specified in the description part. Okay, thank you. Bye.